Appliance Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in washer repair, dryer repair, refrigerator repair, freezer repair, ice maker repair, ice machine repair, cooktop repair, vent hood repair, range repair, oven repair, under counter repair, trash compactor repair, wine cooler repair, and much more. We service all major brands of appliances such as Sears, Kenmore, Frigidaire, Maytag, Sub-Zero, Thermador, Wolf, Viking, Whirlpool, and much more. No matter what's wrong with your appliance or what type of appliance you have, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.